Okay everyone, today looks like a really good day to draw a carrot. So we're going to start out with our pencil going very light. Just get the very basic shapes in. There we go. We're going to put the leaves in. Just starting out with some very basic lines here. Let them flow out. Going to do some circles for the eyes, give them some nice big eyes. And then of course we're going to give them a nice big smile. There we go, just basic right now. Let's flesh out the leaves up here just a little bit. Just give us something to go by when we start to ink this guy in. Excellent. Almost done. Now we're ready to ink them in. Start off with these leaves, just outline around the stem here that's coming out. Then we're going to just trace right over the leaves, leaving a little more detail as you go along. Make them look a little nicer. There we go. Almost there, and we are done with the leaves. So let's get ready and do the body of the carrot. Just trace around what you've already done. Excellent, and now we are going to just get these eyes going. Just trace around those circles you've already made. That's why we like to rough this in pencil, because that just gives us a very nice foundation to work off of. Let's finish the pupils here. Get the other one in. And now we can work on that smile. Get the teeth in here. Just fill in the black part of the mouth there. And to give him a little bit of a carrot's texture, we're just going to throw in some lines here so you know he looks like a carrot. And there you have it. You've got yourself a finished carrot. Just erase those pencil lines and you're good to go. Don't forget to like us, and we'll see you again.